morning, fam. It's Tuesday. I just left the Four Pines hostel. A little bit of road walk again, back down. A little busier this morning. I'm climbing out, heading to, I think, McAfee Knob and Tinker Cliffs, which are the 2 and 3 parts of the Triple Crown, but I'm climbing now, so I'll talk to you later. Bye. Well, nice meadow this morning. We all left the hostel. Not all, but quite a few people about the same time. So I got boldly going in front of me. We got Barter Boy. Hey, Barter Boy. Behind me. And we're just kind of cruising. Throughout the day, things will spread out, and then people stop at some of the landmarks and such. But yeah, it's off to a good start this morning. Talk to you later. Bye. From McAfee Knob. Yeah, just soaking in the moment. Lots of folks up here on McAfee Knob today. Just a beautiful day, some day hikers. And just an iconic place on the AT. The second jewel on the Triple Crown. And from here it's like 7 miles to Tinker Cliffs. And I'll show you that when we get there. Talk to you later. Bye. Tinker Cliffs, 4.9, that's I'm headed. Though Scorched Earth Gap sounds interesting, not going there. Talk to you later. Bye. All right, climbed up to the ledges, and so this is the next episode of Find the Blazes. I think there's one there, one up there. There we go. That's my route. But yeah, isn't this gorgeous? This is amazing. And this is just called the Ledges. Not sure what river that is, or lake, or reservoir. Maybe I can find out. That's fantastic. There is where we came from, McAfee Knob, and then we followed that ridge line there. And now we're on Tinker Cliffs. What a beautiful day. It's awesome. So this is the extension of Tinker Cliffs. It's just like this amazing ridge line trail. Just gorgeous. You just follow this line, this ridge line, and mountains for miles. It's very cool. Part of the Appalachian Trail. And there's the blaze right there that we're following. You gotta be careful. I think I'll turn off the phone. All right, talk to you. I guess it's time for a snack on the trail. Hey, I need to get through, okay? I'm coming. Okay, you gotta move. Thank you.